Hello friends, and welcome back to Auditing Tricks, your go-to YouTube channel for everything related to audit and internal controls. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what is internal audit, what internal auditors are responsible for, the difference between internal and external audit, the types of internal audits, and finally, the internal audit process from start to finish. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable auditing insights. Let's get started. So, what exactly is internal audit? Internal auditing is an independent, objective assurance and consulting activity designed to add value and improve an organization's operations. Internal auditors evaluate internal controls, including corporate governance and accounting processes, to ensure everything is working as it should. The core purpose of internal audit is to provide independent assurance that an organization's risk management, governance, and internal controls are effective. Think of it as a critical checkup, helping management and the board identify areas where risks are being well managed and where improvements are needed before an external auditor even steps in. It answers key questions like, are we on track with our objectives? Are risks being managed properly? Are policies and procedures being followed? And where can we improve? Internal auditors play a vital role in helping an organization survive and thrive in a competitive business environment. To be effective, the internal audit function needs skilled, experienced professionals who follow the international standards for the professional practice of internal auditing and a strict code of ethics, monitoring and assessing risks and controls, ensuring compliance with laws and policies, offering recommendations for improvement, providing assurance to management and stakeholders. Now let's look at the difference between internal and external audits. Internal audit, objective, improve business processes and efficiency, reports to senior management and the board. Frequency, ongoing as needed. Scope, broader, includes risk, compliance, operations, and governance perspective. Focused on both the present and future. External audit, objective, provide assurance on financial statements, reports to shareholders or external stakeholders. Frequency, annually in most cases. Scope, primarily focused on financial reporting. Perspective, mostly historical. In short, internal audit looks inward to improve, while external audit looks outward for credibility. Both are crucial for accountability and organizational success. There are several types of internal audits, each with a different focus. Compliance audits. Check if the organization complies with laws, regulations, and internal policies. Operational audits. Assess the effectiveness and efficiency of operations. Performance audits. Evaluate whether objectives are being met based on KPIs and performance metrics. Information technology, IT. Audits. Assess IT infrastructure, cybersecurity controls, and systems reliability. Environmental audits. Examine the impact of company operations on the environment and compliance with environmental laws. The internal audit process typically follows four main phases. Phase 1. Planning. Notify the client. Define audit scope and objectives. Understand processes and identify key controls. Develop the audit work plan. Phase 2. Fieldwork. Interview staff and gather documentation, test controls, and collect evidence. Analyze findings and identify issues. Document all work performed. Phase 3. Reporting draft, the audit report. Review findings with management. Finalize and distribute the report. Phase 4. Follow up, track implementation of recommendations. Ensure corrective actions have been taken. Provide updates to management and the board. Thanks for watching this video on internal auditing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on auditing techniques, tips, and tools. Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep auditing smarter, not harder.